And right next to the Ford Bronco, we also did this Ford Mustang. We did the same thing. We did a full paint enhancement to the paint, and we wiped it down. We got our coating on, and this one got the coating on the paint, wheel faces, and the glass of this one as well. So I'm gonna get you panel shots of this one as well because they look amazing. So I'm gonna pull them outside, get those shots. And if you guys, again, look for the service, please visit me here at Dynasty on 120 Rainbow Plaza, Brodheadsville, Pennsylvania, or give me a call at 570-221-4240. You guys have a great day.
Run up the rats like I want them. Count up the rap, we gon' want them. Carrots, I want them, Poconos. Clarity beats, I see water. Talking cash out when I want them. Talking cash out when I want them. Stones in my teeth, on top for free. Don't care to speak, I'ma be brief. Go out the brief, I got a freak. She haven't see, who wanna see? How many M's? Smoking grounds, I smoke out the P. She with the P, I'ma prevail.